You know what? I keep looking at Leash and Bone. I'll pick a bone with Bone in another video, but this video is about Leash, and not many people is talking about it. I hear Shiba, I hear other tokens, but Leash was made to really do well and is a big part of the ecosystem of Shiba, and let's talk about it in this video. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Just like it says here, Leash was originally set to be a rebase token, but then we removed the rebase and unleashed its full potential. See, full potential. With a total supply of only 107,646 tokens, it represents the other end of the Shibaswap ecosystem. Leash is the second token incentivized on Shibaswap and will offer lucrative rewards for the holders providing its liquidity. See here, that thing at 107,000. Yes, Shiba was designed to have a big supply. And I went back here and I look at the white paper and it even said it. Shiba was made to have an enormous supply, 1 quadrillion tokens, with half locked away, whereas the supply of Leash is only 107,647 minted tokens. This has some potential to be like its own Bitcoin Ethereum inside the Shibaswap system. Not saying it will get to that point, but you got to look at this. Look at this, the price what it is now. It's $1,300 according to Coinbase market cap, and it's got as high as $8,983. It's got as high as $8,983, and not many people's talking about Leash. They're not talking about it. And I've always said on this channel, it's good to have at least 1 or 2 Leash, not financial advice. I can't necessarily tell you what to do because everybody has different plans and different goals, but this got up to close to $10,000 just 3 months ago. And the price of it right now is only $1,300. So I started doing the math. I looked at Leash, 107,646 tokens. And so I looked at the math. So I went back to Leash. And I'm like, I got 5 Leash. Got the big old calculator. Let me dust it off. Dust off the calculator. So, you know, Leash, if it gets to all-time high, and I own 5 of that. And if I go back to all-time high and own 5, and let me scroll on down to here, 8,983 times 5. Just those 5 leashes, $44,000. Now you're probably asking how much I invested into it. Prime example, let me go back here to Barry Bones. Now I got about 3 of these leashes around that price, to be honest with you. So let's say I'm totally invested times 5, and it's $6,285 if I basically what the investment it is right now. Let's say we added in, let's round it off to $10,000. I made a $30,000 investment profit if it gets to all-time high. And you know, in this bull run, not financial advice, but it has the potential to surpass it. Because remember, the demand is going to get a little higher. As Shiba grows and as Bone grows, Leash is going to grow. And the demand is just going to continue coming up. Ethereum. Remember, Ethereum, if I go back to here, Ethereum have a similar supply. Think about it. 107,647, that is supply. If I go to Ethereum here, and I did a video about this before, Ethereum has 117,000 supply. And it's been rumors Ethereum hitting 10, 15, 20,000 in this bull run. Now, I'm not saying Leash and Bone or Leash is Ethereum or Bitcoin, but in the Shibaswap ecosystem, it's very powerful. Yes, they're adding in other coins, they're adding other assets, but Leash is a big part of what they do. And it's already over $1,000 right now, and it's got as high as $8,000. So think about it. Ethereum's supposed to get to $15,000 to $20,000. As they're saying, I do think Ethereum will break records because it's that powerful in this bull run when this next bull run happens. And so even if Leash, let's say it got to 15,000. So get old calculator, 15,000. 15,000 times 5, $75,000. I'm not saying it will get there, so don't be like, oh, he said it was going to get there. I'm just saying it has that potential because it's got a low supply. It's going to, as Shiba continues growing, getting listed, you know, continue getting more investors into this actual ecosystem, which I believe in time, they will get more investors, more holders, more hodlers. That's what Shiba needs. It's not really necessarily the burn. They need more hodlers and they need more investors that's putting money into this and holding it, not getting in and getting out. They need more investors holding it, not just the burn. I'm not really concerned about the burn. I'm concerned about growing the asset. So I got a Doge killer here. How many hodlers does the Doge killer has? That's very, very interesting. So this right here, 1,800 and about 18,461. So it's kind of staying pat right now. But as the Shibaswap continues growing and Shiba continues growing, that number is going to continue increasing. And then what's going to happen, the demand is just going to be high. So as the price it is right now, that's a steal. Oh my God, it's a steal. I know it's been going up and down in price, but the demand is going to be just as higher. And it was designed to really be a high demanding asset for them. It even says here, will offer luxury rewards for hodlers, providing its liquidity. So when you pair Leash together with SHIB or Leash together with Ethereum, that's a powerful combination. Just like it says right here, if I go to the wolfing pairing, if I go here for the farm tokens, Leash Bone, Leash Ethereum, Leash SHIB. You notice that if you look at these pairings, Leash is actually in the top. Have you noticed that? Have you noticed that Leash is at the top here? You got Leash, Bone, Leash, Swap Ethereum. So I just always noticed that Leash is usually at the top around here. And that tells me it's important. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. So not telling you to go ahead and grab a bunch of leashes and said Adam told you to or Captain Inu. I'm just saying the captain's going to continue adding Leash and going to continue adding Bone as well. And of course, Shiba, because it's actually the face of this Shibaswap ecosystem. But Leash could be like the driving force. Man, that is an unbelievable asset. I'm telling you, in the future, just hold on to it and see what happens. Not financial advice, but I'm excited about getting more Leash somehow. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification because things like this, the pairing of Leash, Leash Ethereum, and the Shibaswap liquidity pool, it's very, very powerful. And people were just not really talking about it much. We hear Shiba, 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 but Leash and Bone is a big deal. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the links below. Get started with anything that's down there. They're going to help you grow each and every single day. And I'll see you on the next video.